Hello students. Next we have is a topic that is kingdom 2 Protista. So there are certain characteristic features when we have seen the table which was given under class system of classification. We have seen that kingdom Protista, it falls under eukaryotic organisms. Eukaryotic means that they have a well defined nucleus in them. Second, they are the unicellular organisms, means they are also composed of a single cell like that of bacteria. Okay, then they have cilia, or they may have flagella or pseudopodia for locomotion. Locomotion means moving from one place to another. Then some protists may also have chloroplast, and they are called as autotrophs. Autotroph means they can prepare their own food, and certain protists, they can be heterotrophs, means they cannot prepare their own food and they will obtain nutrition from other organisms. So if we talk about examples, the examples include amoeba, paramecium, euglena, and certain unicellular algae, for example chlamydomonas. Then here we will talk about the organism that is called as amoeba. You can see in the figure 2.5 there is a diagram which shows amoeba. It is having a nucleus in the center, a contractile vacuole is there which is filled with water, and one or more food vacuoles could be there. The complete amoebal cell, it has cytoplasm, and certain extensions of amoeba, they are called as pseudopodia. Pseudo means false and podia means feet. So those pseudopodia, they help the amoeba to move in any direction. Then in amoeba, how does the ingestion of food take place? That is explained in diagram figure 2.6, that if amoeba is there and it is having in front of it a food particle, it will engulf the food particle by the pseudopodia, by extending the pseudopodia around those food, and then it will take that food inside its body and absorb all the nutrition which is there. In amoeba, as you know, it is of a single cell, so respiration, it will take place with the help of diffusion across the membrane. Then how does amoeba it multiplies? It multiplies with the help of binary fission. Binary fission means that a single organism, it will break into two daughter amoeba. So the nucleus, it will divide itself, it will form duplicate its DNA, then it will get elongated, and in the center a constriction will be there, and then that constriction will get complete, and then it will form two daughter amoeba. Then during unfavorable condition, what will happen? It will prepare a wall around itself so that it can undergo the unfavorable condition, and when this wall, it gets broken during the favorable condition, the wall, the cyst, it ruptures and it produces number of daughter amoeba, and this process is called as multiple fission. Binary fission means two daughter amoeba are formed, and multiple fission means number of daughter amoeba will be formed. Thank you.